Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Ganesh Lokhande, Head, Department of Psychology, Raya Shikshan Sanstha's R.B. Narayan Rao Borake College, Sri Rampur. Today, I am talking about lateral thinking or application of lateral thinking in decision making. This video I am creating for assignment of faculty development program on managing online classes and creating mocks conducted by Ramanujan College, Delhi. So, lateral thinking is a process of decision making. Lateral thinking concept delivered by Edward de Bono in the year of 1967. According to Edward de Bono, lateral thinking as a method of thinking concerned with changing concept and perceptions. Lateral thinking is a evaluative thinking process as well as differ than other thinking process. Lateral thinking process is one of the problem solving method. Edward de Bono explained lateral thinking process in their book of Six Thinking Hats. Six Thinking Hat technique developed by Edward de Bono in the year of 1985. Some objectives of Six Thinking Hats to help us to communicate more effectively, to increasing productivity and performance in the thinking process, to generate new ideas and creative think. Use in group also individually decision making or process to promote creative problem solving, to increase thoughts and ideas, to solve the problem of instantly, to deep thinking process, to saving time, to remove ego from decision making. Six thinking hats is a important and powerful technique for decision making. In this technique, having six hats, one is blue hat to control thinking process. It means this hat is a control all over decision making, to coordinator of decision making, to determine goal setting, to control on other hats, to selection of the topic for discussion. Blue hat is a leader of group member, to guidance other member in the group, to summary of group discussion, and finally take decision. Another hat is red hat. Red hat, symbol of all emotions, all feelings, symbol of instinct, to try to understand reactions of other, try to understand interest, love of the other. Another hat is yellow hat, symbol of optimistic to positive thinking, to productive think, helpful attitude, help to thinking positively, to see all the benefit of the discussion and the finally decision making. Another hat is green hat. This hat characteristics is creative thinking, to develop new concept, to inspiring lateral thinking process, to give opportunities use of all tools of lateral thinking, to develop new idea in discussion and decision process, to search new alternatives. Another hat is white hat. Its characteristics is realistic symbol, to objective thinking, to attention, present need and problems, to attention on present topic of discussion, to attention of planning, to achieve more information, to focus on data available. And last hat is black hat. Its characteristics is the negative thinking, to think seriously, to search risk in decision, to carefully thinking, look at all the bad point of discussion and to evaluate of the discussions to negative views. Thank you.